Hi, M5562. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Remy Joy Marcos Anog, 40 years old, separated for 5 years. I'm Roman Catholic, and I'm blessed that I have been a 17 years old girl.
And your highest educational
My
attainment.
highest educational attainment is college undergraduate with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Applied Electronics.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Singapore, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My main duty in Singapore is taking care of the 8 years old daughter of my employer, cleaning the house, and sometimes cooking with the assist of my employer.
Okay, and why did they break the contract?
I break the contract because my grandmother who take care of my baby is died. That's why I decided to go break my contract, sir.
So you go back to the Philippines to take care of your children. But
Yes,
now,
sir.
your children, who's the one who took care?
My daughter is now independent and
Because
she's
she is
also
17
taking
already.
care of my parents, sir.
Okay. But you have another experience in Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your experience as a helper
My
there.
experience in Saudi Arabia is taking care also of elderly and um, serve. I serve for 2 adults and 4 children, sir.
Okay. Other household chores that you do in Saudi Arabia.
I do all around household chores like cooking, ironing, washing, and cleaning the house, sir.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
I prepare the milk of newborn baby is wash my hand so that it's been clean. Then I wash the bottle. Then I put a little amount of water and powdered milk. And then I shake the formula to avoid bubbles. And then I feel if the water is good. And then I feed the baby, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the temperature of the baby. I check the diaper if full or have a pee or have a poo.
And
Then
if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also the temperature, everything that you have done to the baby to make her stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer and tell her what happened to the baby, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest place and I want to support the study of my daughter and
To provide
help
for your family.
my family, sir.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If I finish my contract and if my employer allow me to extend
Your contract
your
is okay with
contract,
you.
and I'm willing to extend again, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to extend your contract by
Yes,
your
sir.
employer. Okay, what will you do if there is someone outside the house telling that they were a visitor or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I will call my employer, sir, first so that she don't know what is inside outside. In outside the house, I will not allow to enter inside the house, sir.
Okay, so you will not entertain the person if your employer doesn't know the person outside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have no idea, sir, but I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Through internet and also by buying the cooking books, sir.
Okay, and also if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
How about cut your hair short because I saw that you have a long hair?
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, I promise that I will do my best to serve you. I am honest, hardworking, responsible, and I'm trying all my best to
Okay.
serve you as I can, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Rebby Joy.
Thank you so much, sir, and God bless, and hope to see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much.